If your ignition system needs some maintenance but you'd rather get performance than a factory replacement, these MSD coil packs in red will be a great option for your 2015 or newer EcoBoost Mustang. Now, coil packs are one of those wear parts that inevitably will need to be replaced due to normal wear and tear, cracking, or water damage. Now, this will be a great kit to look into for your EcoBoost if you started to notice a lack of performance, whether that's a rough idle, lack of responsiveness, or it's escalated to a misfire. Now, these will be a direct replacement that will offer a hotter spark for increased performance, better responsiveness, and will even have the red housings here if you want that extra pop of color underneath the hood. This set will feature an improved build over the factory, although they are going to be pretty similar with better windings, which will in turn produce a stronger spark. This improved spark will increase efficiency when burning the fuel mixture, smooth out that idle for a comfortable experience with your 4-cylinder, and depending on how worn your factory ones are, this is going to offer a noticeable power increase for better ignition responsiveness. Now, that increase is obviously going to depend on the life of your current set, so if they are very worse for wear, you'll most likely see a substantial improvement compared to what you're used to with your old coils. Now, this set will come with all 4 packs in the kit, and again will be pretty similar to the factory, being a direct replacement part. Now, although they are close in the factory design as far as the housing and the overall setup is concerned, again, these are going to have an improved patented winding design that's going to offer better performance and will be made with quality materials that you can rely on to eliminate any cracking or breaking over time. Best part of all is that they have a 1-year limited warranty backing these up for some peace of mind there, that you are getting quality components that you can rely on. With MSD being one of the leaders in the ignition aftermarket, these are going to be a little bit more of a premium option at around $325. What I will say though is that you're getting what you pay for in this set with the quality of the design and the fact that these are going to make a substantial improvement for better performance even over factory replacements. This set also has overall great reviews from EcoBoost owners, so I think if you're looking for a little bit more out of a coil pack setup than the average and want to invest in a trusted set, then this is going to be a great pick. Now, install is going to be a lighter 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Nothing too difficult here, so it should take you about an hour to get the job done with some pretty basic hand tools. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has installed this on their EcoBoost at home and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay, I'm going to do an install with some MSD coils. I have a 2019 EcoBoost Mustang. I got the red coils. It comes with the two MSD stickers, and it also comes with the registration paper, so you can register for the warranty. All right, I'm going to need a 3/8 ratchet and a 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and we're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Okay, we're going to take off the battery cover here. So you use your screwdriver to pull up the push pin, and then you pull it out. I went ahead and pushed them up so it wouldn't take so long getting them out. If you have a push pin remover, that would definitely be better, but I left mine at the shop, so I don't have it today. All right, I'm gonna pull this cover off. And I got these coils from American Muscle. All right, we're gonna use a 10mm. Take this negative post loose. All right, once you get it loose, all you gotta do is just pull it up. Now would be a good time to clean that positive or that post if yours is dirty like mine. Okay, then now you got 8mm here, 8mm here, 10mm here, 10mm here. So let's take off that 8mm. And I'm going to reach across and grab that other one. Loose. And your 10mm. If you have a magnet tray, that would be great for this process. Unfortunately, I don't have that today. 10mm on this side. And you got a nut here and a nut here, and those are the 10 millimeters. You got an 8 millimeter back here. Here we go. Just set this aside. Then you got your coil packs. And you got a deal here. You like push off. You can use a screwdriver to push it up. You got one back here. All right, and these are 8 millimeter. You got 2 studded bolts here, or one stud bolt in the front, 1 studded bolt in the back. Loosen these guys up. I usually just loosen them all, and then go back and just pull them out. These, I don't ever stub these up too tight. I just barely get them. And you don't want to strip those bolts out. And these do have clips on them. You'll have to release that clip by pulling it back, push it down, and pull. I already got them loose. So when you take them off, just pull a pin back, push. All right, we're gonna take out, pull one coil, remove that bolt. All right, we got the red coils. Push it down in there. If you have dielectric grease, that would be a good thing. You can use that dielectric grease to keep the coil bolts from sealing too bad. You don't want to make them hard and pull out next time. And then unfortunately I don't have it. That dielectric grease works wonders. You can pull them all out and lay them aside if you want to. They're going back with all new ones anyways. One thing I would definitely recommend replacing is this sensor back here. That can cause your car to run lean if you don't replace that one. If you have the older models, like the 2015 or 16, up to, I think it's up to 19, and then replace that sensor back there. It's your fuel pressure sensor. I've heard a lot about those things going bad, causing it to run lean. Alright, I just snug it up just a little bit. Really good. You'll feel it in here. Usually you hear it growl at you because it's tight. Make a little pop. Alright, we're going to plug them back up, and that's complete your install. Then you're going to want to make sure you hook up your negative side of your battery at the end of this install. Alright. Thank you guys. Have a good day.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of these MSD coil packs in red, fitting all 2015 and newer EcoBoost Mustangs. And remember, for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.